Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. For this video we're going to make a custom water bottle. This is a really cute 3D print that I found off of the Cricut crafting sites that I'm on Facebook. I absolutely love this cute little design. I added one of my kids' names to it because she's been asking me to make her a water bottle. So she picked out a design that she wanted. I added her name to it and we're going to make it. I have a few other of these like 3D designs. If you're interested, join me over on my Discord and I will share these designs with you completely free. I got them for free. There's a wonderful crafting community that shares files so other people can make all kinds of designs. If you would like these 3D puff designs for your tumblers, mugs, water bottles, whatever, jump over to my Discord and you can download them from there. So after I sized the design and added the name to it and flattened it, I'm going to go over and I'm going to print it through my Cricut Design Space app. You just need to mirror this so that it prints out mirrored, because you want it to go on the bottle properly. If you don't mirror it, it'll be backwards on the bottle. So after we've got the design all printed out, what I'm going to do is tape it onto the water bottle. I'm going to line it up and use heat tape to tape this design onto the water bottle. Make sure that you tape it down securely along the seam, along the top, along the bottom, to make sure that that contact is good and firm. That way when you go to heat the tumbler, mug, water bottle, whatever you're making, you will get a good solid transfer. I found if you don't do this step, it's a little faded at the ends and you really don't want that. So make sure that it's taped down and the ends of the paper and the seam are all connected just the way you want them. Don't forget when you're working with mugs and bottles and tumblers and stuff to wear heat gloves, because these metal things are very, very hot and you will burn yourself. So I just put on my heat gloves and I've rotated this and I'm going to press it again for another 180 seconds, about 3 minutes. Some people do 4, but I've found that 3 minutes works for my projects. It's at 340 degrees if you're wondering. So I press my water bottles at 340 for 3 minutes, 120 seconds, and I find that works awesome. So it's best to do test projects to find out what works best for your heat press and your sublimation blanks. pretty.